Next is, where is your tummy? Your stomach. Where is your... Tama na, wala man may sakit yan. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Then you need to put your hands up. 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 And clap your hands. Clap. Up. Down. Up. Muambak lagi na yun. Next is, where is your lubot? Okay, next is, where is your head? Where is your head? Head. Very good. Next is, where is your neck? Neck. Wow, very good. Neck. Where is your neck? Neck, very good. Next is, where are your hands? Hands. Very good. Okay. Next is, where is your... Where is your... Ears. Asang ears? Ang klase pa. La perises. Next is... Abe, show me how you smile. Smile, bay. Smile. Okay, very good. Next is, where is your tongue? Where is your tongue? Tongue. Okay, where's your tongue? Very good. Next is, unsa na pod? Yeah, very good. Tongue.